What's going on, guys? Adam here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to rig up the Texas rig, how to use it, where to use it, and what colors to use as well. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you notice that I haven't uploaded in like a month or like 2 months and a half. That's because I just started school, and also, as you can tell in my earlier videos, I wasn't that good of an angler, but I've just been fishing like every single day and just getting better at fishing. So that's why I haven't been uploading, and I was just busy with homework and stuff, and just school started in Florida now. So that's the main reason why I haven't been uploading. But as you can see here, guys, what I recommend for just using the Texas rig is a bait caster, because you can cast pretty far with them and a lot more accurate. This is the Abu Garcia Black Max bait caster. Pretty good bait caster for beginners. It's around $40. And then what I use for the rod is this Shook lightning rod. This is a 7-foot rod, medium heavy. Medium heavy is the way to go. I'm pretty short. I'm like 5'1", so this works really well for me because it's only 7 foot. But if you're like an adult and full size, I'd recommend 7.5. But the rod and reel doesn't matter as much as the baits you're using. So if I get this real quick, so this is sort of what you want to use. Is I have a 1/4 ounce bullet weight right here. You can use a 1/6 ounce, 1/8 ounce. It sort of does matter. If you're doing heavier cover or deeper waters, you want heavier the weight, and like the less deep, the lighter the weight. So right here I have a offset hook. If it does not have the offset to it, like that thing right there, then it will not work. This is I believe it is a 3/0. Also, as you can tell, it's not curved, it's just straight. And I recommend using the straight one because I tighten my hooks, like the knot, by tugging from the string and then holding my finger like that. And if it's the curved, it stuck in my finger. Okay, you see the offset right there. Not the offset, the barb. Why won't you focus? Okay, there. Look, so you see that offset right there? Not offset, why do I keep saying that? The barb, that when you're tugging on it, so tighten it, that kind of like hits your finger a bit, and it's pretty annoying. So now I'm going to show you how to rig it up, and then I'm going to get out to any pond, I don't know where, but a pond, and just fish it. So see you in literally like a half a second. Alright guys, so this is, there's a car going by. Just wait for it to pass. So this is how you want to rig up the Texas rig. So pretty much you got this right here, and there's many different baits you can use. Soft plastics. I recommend worms or lizard baits, and for cloudy days, I recommend like June bug color or like greenish. This is like sort of in the middle. You can see there's some red glitter in there, so you can see it, and it's this is watermelon red. So this is for like sunny, deeper water. So what you want to do is first put the hook. Yeah, it's kind of like wet. Oh, okay. Camera's moving around a lot. Okay, so you want to put it through just like that, and put it through, I would say like a centimeter around, and then you want to pull the worm all the way here, so it's past the offset. And then once it's like here, you want to measure with your thumb where the hook is, so it's right there, and then with your thumb just put it like that and pull it back, and then there you have the Texas rig. You can make it so the hook is exposed a bit. That makes it so it's easier to set up the hook, or you can bury it. It really doesn't matter. Seaweed gets caught on the hook a bit, but the hookup ratio is a lot better. So now I'm going to show you how to like use it. So pretty much what you want to do is it's gonna sink in the water like that, and you wanna lift it up, and it's gonna like dive down. So pretty much how this looks is, it's gonna go, oh wait, I'm gonna turn the focus off real quick. Okay, so pretty much it's gonna dive down like that, and you wanna lift it up, and then make it go down again, and then up, and then down again. There's another way you can do it, which is you lift it up, and you swim it a bit, and then let it sink. What I do is I like alternate, so I do like a couple of these, and then move it, that like kind of, it, so pretty much people don't say this in their videos, because I watch them, the Texas Rig tutorials, but they don't say what you want to make it look like. You want to make it look like a fish or like a worm dying, just like trying to get up to get some oxygen, but it just can't make it. That's what you want to make it look like, not just up and down, because people don't like, just make it look like an animal dying or like a fish or something. Okay, you can also like put flukes. There's many baits you can use for this, soft plastic wise. So anything you think that would work on here, just try it out. So I'm gonna go to the pond and just fish with it for a while. So I'll see you guys there. Peace. Alright guys, so I just made it down to the pond. I know the lighting is probably pretty bad, but it's a nice spot with shade. Really nice looking. So I've been to the spot a lot of times actually, and it's a nice spot. I'm just gonna fish it, show you how to use the Texas rig, and then after that just fish, and then the rest of the video is just gonna be me fishing. Or I might make it into a separate video, I don't know. If I am, then just watch the separate video. Actually no, I'm gonna make it into a separate video. Okay guys, separate video. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just gonna put my camera in the holster thingy real quick. Got my bait right here. Alright, so I'm gonna go pretty shallow around here, or pretty close to shore. Holy heck, the birds. How's this looking? I haven't fished in a while, not really in a while, in like a couple of days, so I might just throw a massive bird's nest in the first time. Usually here there is a bunch of lily pads, but it looks like they're like all dead. So this seems like it would be a nice spot though, but I don't know why they're all like gone. But first cast, pretty epic cast. That was far too. I didn't mean to cast that far, but I did. So pretty much what you want to do with the Texas rig is, I'm going to move the camera down here. You want to reel in the slack and then lift it up. You can reel it, you can lift it up slowly or just like fast, like one little bolt. But you can lift it up like a lot, and then sometimes just lift it up a tiny bit. So yeah, this is usually how I fish. I think I might change the bait up to June bug color, because I just want to see if this is like that visible in the water. Yeah, you can barely see that. Alright, I'm going to switch up to June bug curltail worm. Be right back. Yeah, so I got the June bug color on. Hopefully, oh, now the sun just comes up right when I put it on. The sun's not out that much. Hopefully this will be a bit more visible. Hopefully actually a lot more visible. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can definitely see that better. Sunglasses aren't that useful right now, but they're pulverized, so I'm just going to continue wearing them so I can see all the beautiful bass. There you go. Bird's nest. Epic. I'm sort of new to the baitcaster. I've only had like a week of experience, so... Oh, wow! On my notifications, lojo.fishing just uploaded a video. I'm gonna watch that tonight. Heck yeah. Not right now, though, because I'm making my own video. Hey, Lojo. Lojo, if you're watching this, please comment, because I love your videos and your channel. I love you, Lojo. Alright, so just bring it up like that. and just make it look like dead fish, and you should be good. I'm probably not going to catch a fish in this video because this is a quick video and just a tutorial. This video is probably already 10 minutes long, so I think I'm just going to leave this video at that. Let's do the outro right now. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Sorry if the lighting's bad, by the way. I told you that already, but who cares? Also, you see that big red subscribe button right there? Don't click that one. Click the one down below. Make sure it's gray. Without further ado, I don't know what I'm saying. But, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be me just fishing using the Texas rig, and I'll probably catch some nice bass. So stay tuned for that. That's probably going to come out in around 2 days from when I'm uploading this video. So thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!